Is an easy video to record the screen, and I was having some trouble doing it yesterday, so I think I finally fixed this, and I'll be able to introduce you guys to the first project of OpenAI that's called OpenAI Gym. The other one is OpenAI Universe, and you can check that on its main website here. It's currently being used with GTA 5, and I believe there is a partnership with Microsoft going on. And the problem with OpenAI in general, I don't know if Universe has this problem, but the general problem here is that it doesn't work on Windows, and it's not built to work on Windows. So I'll be doing some coding with a very limited amount of environments. Okay, so what's an environment? These are a couple of Atari games. I don't know if I know Pac-Man is an Atari game. I don't know if this one is, and each one of these is called an environment. And you can see here a couple of code samples, and here's the environment. This is Taxi V1, this is Frozen Lake V0, and I cannot use these samples because I don't have these environments, and I don't know how to build it on any Windows platform. So how to get GitHub? You go here and you type in pip install gym after you install Python, or you can just go here and download it, read the README file and follow the instructions. So let's go ahead and open the Python IDLE and create a new file and start some coding. Hopefully I'll be doing this with some success. Import gym. Let's call a variable env. Set to gym make carpool v0. Env must reset first. Then let's open a for loop with the variable I in the range of 999, and let's call for the render, and that should be ready to run. Yeah, I have to save first. Let's save it on the test file. Okay, is it not running? Yeah, it is. Okay, so let's take a look. So this is the environment without any physics applied to it yet. This is the first state of the environment, and this is an axis in which a black rectangle moves according to the agent desire, and there's a fixed rotating point here to this pole, and the score is associated to the highest to the height of this point here, to the height of the farthest point from this rotating position. Okay, so let's close that. And let's make the agent do some kind of random action without any feedback. M takes action space sample. Yeah, I guess that's right. And let's run it. So it will be moving, but it doesn't have the feedback of the score to decide if course of action at will lead to a win, or better yet called a failure. Yeah. So let's modify this code to get some feedback in there. Let's move this line to here. Let's change 999 to 20. Let's make another for loop with j in it, for range of 100, 2 dots. Let's make it render. Then let's print. Okay. So the feedback should be this: observation equals and reset. So let's print observation. And let me see. Let's make action equals and action. Yeah, let's take this thing and put it here. And let's make another line. Observation reward done info equals env step action. If done, then let's break the code, and it should be running correctly, right? Observation blah 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 blah. Yeah, I guess. So you can see here that now it's trying to keep this point at the highest height. And the trick to not get a problem when closing this is to close before the end. Click here twice when you miss the opportunity to close it right. So let's run it again. And I can just close it here normally. And that's it for now. I want to show you how Windows is a problematic platform. I just copied these samples here and put it in here, and you can see that it doesn't run, right? And let's get this other one, import here. And it doesn't run. Yeah. Okay.